Hello, let's look at the sounds of the alphabet. I will make each sound 2 times, and then I will wait for 2 seconds to let you repeat the sounds as well. Okay, let's get started. Eh, b, b, k, k, d, d, e, e, f, f, g, g, I, I, j, j, k, k, l, l, m, m, n, n, a, a, p, p, qu, qu, r, r, s, s, t, t, a, v, w, w, kas, kas, y, y, z, z. So there you have it. Those are the sounds of the alphabet. Now you can watch this video again and again to keep practicing those sounds until you remember them all. And you can get a nice close-up look at my mouth. Okay, so see you next time. Bye.